Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it is already 3:25 and yeah, I am back home and at the moment I am editing the footages that I did during the road trip. And then this morning I cleaned the shelves, all the kitchen equipment. I don't know, I just feel like cleaning. And I'm actually still drying it. I will organize it later. And if you see this, it's clean. Yeah, similar to the hotel. But for now, we are going out because I am going to eat. Because I don't have any food here. I don't have rice, I don't have any groceries. And also I'm going to do the car wash. I'm going to eat in the Thai restaurant. The Thai restaurant is still closed. They are going to open for dinner. It starts at 4:30. So basically they open from lunch and then they close up around 2 o'clock. And they open again at 4:30 later. So we're going to walk first around. Actually, we're going to check the Aldi, what they have over there today. A lot of restaurants here in Australia, they do like that. So they open in the lunch, then they close, and then they open again for dinner. Oh, they are actually still closed. And look at that, you see? There is a new building, it's Aldi. So they are going to transfer it's one whole building just for Aldi. Nice. And so we are back in the food court. They are newly renovated. And this is what I got. This two choices rice meal, and it's $12. I'm satisfied but not full. I'm actually tempted to get one fried chicken, but no need. And that will be again my last time of eating in the restaurant. Yeah, I start to not eat again to save money.
That's how you find your way back?
Yeah, because I'm still saving. I was just become lazy to cook my food because of the situation in the road trip. There is actually a car wash at the back of this yeah, of this yeah, at the back of this shopping mall, but I'm not sure if it's self-serve car wash. I like the self-serve car wash. That's why we are going to Anna Bay. And you know, during this road trip, I realized that there are many things that are really missing on my gear. Yeah, even for personal things, stuff that I need to bring. Yeah, I miss a lot of things. But of course, yeah, my car is a small car, so I just bring the things that I like, that I need, the basic. And with me doing YouTube, I should prioritize to have the charger, solar charger first before going to my travel. The same with the other one. So basically you pay by credit card, you choose the time, and these are the procedure. So this is the vacuum that they have, and it's actually very strong. Yeah, you also pay with the credit card. Oh, now I realize that's why you also need to do the tar removal, because there's some kind of like this. This is basically the flies. Yeah, and the insects. Yeah, you cannot just remove it by the high pressure water. Yeah, still dirty. Yeah, you can see that. Look at that. Look at this. Yeah, there are some of those. It's okay, next time I know. And I actually spent $21. And you know, this one I dry it using the vacuum. Yeah, I bought this frozen prawn. This is I forgot. Bok choy is 250. Mandarin is 250. Eggs for 30. Gillette 11. 20 pieces. This $1 or 90 cents. And rice, which is $12. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now already 10 o'clock exactly. Very nice. Outside is very good. It's sunny and the temperature is very good too. And I'm preparing this my meal breakfast. Yeah, this is actually a fried egg and tuna together with the bok choy I fried last night. I just added some water today, and I'm going to also add some of this noodles. Some salt. And I'm also editing a video, and I actually had my cup of coffee this morning, and I also already eat some of this mandarin, and now I'm going to eat rice. I'm not tasting it yet. Yeah, it's okay. I know that if I just add salt it will be good already. I just need to soften the noodles. Yeah, this is my breakfast. Yeah, I just came from outside. It is now already 3:35. I checked the car if it is clean, because I went to the car wash yesterday, and I checked the car, and actually it's not very clean. Yeah, because I clean it with just the pressure washer, some soap, and all the other car washing element, chemical something by spray. I somehow used the brush, but the soap one, but yeah, still it should be cleaned by hand and the towel. Yeah, when I checked this just now, when you touch like this, you see that there are some dirt. Yeah, so it means that washing really needs to be by hand to make it really clean. And yeah, to end my my road trip, I am satisfied, and what I am really thankful is nothing really bad happened for me or for the other people around me during my road trip. Yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate. And now we are back to normal. And for sure, I learned a good lesson during my road trip, particularly about driving, and of course, learning the so much beautiful Australia. It is amazing to be here in Australia. It's already 5:20. I was just on my computer, and I cleaned the car, wash it by hand. And I'm actually thinking of going to Woolworths, because I have this rice that I want to make a porridge. Yeah, but I don't have ginger. I really wanted to eat arroz caldo, the rice porridge. That's why we are going to the grocery. You miss this? Yeah, there is a new house over there. Also here, there is a new house. Yeah, there are so many things that I can't really show you when I am on the car, but there are so many things that I can only show you when I am on my bike. Yeah, like this scenario, I won't be able to show it to you when I am on the car. That's why I always say that when you are on a bike, you can see the details of every places. I think this bike is just for decoration. I am getting this one. This is just $3. Yeah, also this ginger. I actually come here just for this ginger, and this is at $29 per kg. This is enough. I'm getting this one. This is just 80 cents. Before it was $1. This is what I got. This is a donut, a ginger, and chicken cubes.